Right, I've had an early day today, so I'm just pottering about indoors. And I've had a little parcel delivered, and I might as well unbox it in front of you lot, really. I haven't seen it, obviously, box is sealed. I watched another YouTuber using one of these the other day. Keith Brown, I think, Rag and Bone Brown is his channel. But he was using one of these, and it looks a little bit sort of natty, a little bit silly, but I think it's going to be one of them things. Once you've got it, you'll think, how did I ever live without this? So let's crack into it and get this little beauty unboxed. Right, so here we are. Can you see what it is yet? Right, not allowed to do that anymore, am I? Right, let's open it up, and I'm hoping it's what I ordered. Might be something I've ordered for the wife, something dirty, but right, here we go. It is a Megaflow Superpower Turbo Fan. So it's like a little handheld blower. You know when you just want to get them bits of dust blown out the corners or off tops of skirtings and things? We'll see. Let's unbox it and see what it's about. Let's get a blade and do it all properly, all professionally, because I'm doing it for YouTube. So let's open it up. Nice box. Box is nice, I must admit. Packaging's good. Yeah, it's very nice. Very sort of like Apple, you know, that nice packaging. Makes you feel like you've got something special. Let's just hope it isn't a load of old shit in the box. Okay. So in the box you get a little instruction thing. And oh, it's cute, it's very cute. So here's the thing. It's quite solid. Feels like an old-fashioned water pistol from when you was a kid. So you get 3 little attachments for it. Obviously 3 little attachments. I suppose that comes off, does it? Yeah, so that comes off, and then you can put the attachment that you want on it. So you can turn it from that, or if you want to get down a bit deep and dirty, you can stick that one on it and stuff like that. And then you get a little USB-C thing, which, oh, that's good. It's USB-C. I'm so glad that all USBs are sort of becoming quite standardised across the world now. So you haven't got to find other chargers for other things. So, right, let's give this a charge up and we'll see what it's about. Okay, so it came with a little bit of charge, actually. I digitized it up a little bit, but do you know what? I've just used it. Enough powerful. I don't think you'll see my hair, but now I've got some guts in it that I'll show you. So we've got the box it came in, cardboard box. We'll point it inside that. Ready? 2, 3. Ain't bad, is it? Let's do it again. For luck. I know how I can test it a little bit better. Hold on. You've got to test these things out in real life situations, haven't you? Right. This is from my comedy skits I sometimes do, but now let's have a look at this. So all in all, that looks right, doesn't it? So all in all, this little thing here, and I'll show you again what it is. And this particular model was, because they do a few different models, this was the Megaflow 50. I think they do a 200 and a 100. But the 50 was, I think it was £39. So not ridiculously cheap, but it's a solid thing. You can feel that's quite a heavy battery in there. and I think that is going to be really good just to blow the dust out of corners and off of skirting boards, you know, corners of windowsills when you're trying to get in and paint and stuff. So very, very handy. Just stick it in your pocket. I think that is going to be absolutely a fantastic little addition to my toolkit. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.